Hey guys, welcome back to 128 Henderson. Wanted to give you an update. There's been some progress and I'd like to show you firsthand. Come on through. So we're getting the roof torn off probably tomorrow, and one of my contractors went up there and started peeling off some layers. There's actually 4 layers of comp shingles on there, so we're going to be tearing that off. It's going to take quite some time, but we should get it torn off by tomorrow. So when I first walked through here, we had popcorn, what's known as popcorn on the ceiling. It's an acoustic ceiling, very 1960s, 70s. Nobody uses it any longer. So that's actually been scraped. We've had all drywall repaired done. So also the walls have been floated out. They still need to be sanded, and then we're gonna go ahead and do a knockdown texture, really update this property. Come on through. The can lights are being installed right now. This gentleman's cutting out where one of the can lights will go right now. So this will have all updated lighting throughout the living room. There was a wall here. The wall is no longer. So we've opened it up. We have an open floor plan. The kitchen. This is a load-bearing wall, so we have to put in a support beam right here. We'll lay our granite bar right here. Somebody can put some stools up here. This will all be hardwood floors. Just an open concept. Definitely makes it feel a little bit more modern. Come on to the back bedroom. So the bathroom was really boxed in. They had an extra closet in here. We tore that out. We opened this up. We'll have a dual vanity here, actually two sinks. So it's going to have a much larger feel to it. That way you just don't feel as crowded in here. We're going to keep the toilet. No, we're not going to keep the toilet. But I think that the contractors may be keeping it here in case, so they don't have to run to McDonald's. So let's go through the hallway. The the bedrooms are all we're just going to maintain the same layout. We're not reframing anything. The walls will have a knockdown texture on it. We're going to add light in the middle. Before, they just had a switch, so you could add a lamp or something like that in there. So that will be all modern. Coming through, same thing with this back bedroom right here. They're floating out all the tape lines. Preparing for texture. We got Luis and Oscar in here kicking ass.
No Luis.
Huh?
JD, no Luis.
JD. We got big JD right here. JD's gonna be famous one day.
JD Entertainment.
Also here, let me show you one thing real quick. We have the furnace right here. There's no AC in this house. They have a couple wall-mounted systems. We're gonna be removing those wall-mounted systems. We're gonna be moving the furnace up into the attic and adding a condenser AC unit. So this will all be open. We're just gonna turn this into a hall linen closet. And where the hall linen closets were, if I could switch places with you, David, this will now be our laundry room. So we'll have some accordion doors opening, and we'll have room for our washer and dryer in here. Previously, the washer and dryer were in the garage. Coming through. The master bedroom. The master bedroom has been opened up considerably. So if you can come in here, David. So if you can see right here, this is where this small area right here, this is where the shower was. Okay, it was a very, very small shower. As you can see, maybe 24 inches wide. So tiny. Not good for a master bedroom. So this is the original plumbing, just, thick steel, probably 1/4 inch stock. Very hard to move, but we will be moving it. We're going to be moving this over to the right-hand side right here. So we will have a full-size shower and make this master bedroom a lot more desirable. We'll put a vanity sink right here, and the toilet will remain the same. And we'll come out here. The kitchen is gonna maintain the same footprint. The pantry right here, we're gonna gut the inside, put a nice pantry door on there with frosted glass, and that's it. Thanks for tuning in.